Hello? Hello?
Oh, yes, ma'am. Good evening.
Okay, it's okay. Để rồi con bắt đầu học đi nè. Em mượn máy học cho con, máy em bị vấn đề rồi. Ok, con tiếp tục đi. Hello, teacher đi.
Hello, Brian.
Hello.
Yes, it is okay now?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So let's continue, okay? So, can you see my slide?
One box.
Can you see my slide already?
Yes.
Okay, so our lesson today is all about fun for starters, and that is Unit 25, how to read this word. Unit 25, what is that? That is how to read this word. Animal challenge.
That's it.
Again, what is that? Animal challenge.
Animal challenge.
Okay, so that's,
Donkey,
yes.
elephant, crocodile, snake, monkey, bird, tiger, hippo, lizard,
Lizard.
spider, polar bear, zebra, jellyfish, fish, parrot.
Okay, so what is your favorite animals? What is your favorite animals?
Jellyfish.
What? Jellyfish. Why you like jellyfish?
Mm,
Why you like jellyfish?
yes.
You like jellyfish, right? So this time, our vocabulary is all about the animals, right? Because our lesson that is an animal challenge. So please remember, we
Donkey,
have donkey, elephant, crocodile, snake, monkey, bird, tiger, hippo, lizard, spider, polar bear, zebra, jellyfish, bee, parrot. Okay, so here grammar can and can't. Go read it.
grandma can't just up can a busy possibility. Example, I can swim.
Again, how to read this?
Promise.
Ability.
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 Yes, very good. How about this? How to read that?
Miss.
Possibility. Possibility.
Can.
Again, possibility.
From.
Okay, one more.
Can't
Possibility.
be in. Example. He can speak English. No, he can speak English. They can big fish. Not they can big fish.
Okay, very good. So here, let's have this a grammar. So what grammar our lesson for today, Brian? We have can and can't, right? So can, that is a positive, can't, that is negative. So what is the uses of can? Look at the uses of can is that is the ability or the possibility. Example, I can swim. I can dance. I can sleep. I can walk. I can jump. I can eat. So that is a ability to do, right? So what is about permission? So if that is a permission, you know already what is that, right? You will give permission to someone or other people to do it. Okay, for example, you can use your pen. You can use your pen. Okay, that is the uses of can. Okay, so now do you have any question number one? Do you have any question on number one? Do you have any question? Yes or no?
Swim. Yes.
Okay, so second, we have a form. So in the form, we have subject plus can or can plus verb. Okay, so here, example, he can speak English. If we will use the negative or if we will use the can't, so he can't speak English. He can't speak English. So here, they can't speak French. So we have still not. He can't speak French. Okay, so look at the picture. In this picture, what can you see? In this picture, what can you see?
Farm animal.
Okay, what
Real
can you see?
animal.
Again, what can you see in the farm animals? Here, in the first picture, what can you see?
Cow. Sheep. Hog. Chicken. Pig.
So what can you say? Again, what can you see in the picture? Look, in the first picture, can you please describe what you can see? What can you see in the first picture? What can you see in the first picture? Go.
Mm,
In the first picture, there are
There. Um,
many animals. So what are those? What are those animals? Go. Look at the picture. Just look at the picture carefully. What are those animals that you can see? What are those animals that you can see?
yes.
So what are those?
Mm,
So in this picture, there are many animals. Look, right? This is just like a farm. That is a small animal. So we have the pig, okay, the chicken, the horse, what else? The sheep, okay, so there is a goat, okay. So here also, this is a wild animal, so which is that is that there are sometimes just like dangerous animals, right? So here in the first picture, look at what is your favorite animals here? What is your favorite animals in the first picture?
I don't
Here, look at the picture. What is your favorite animals in that picture?
know.
Go. Look at what is your favorite animal in that picture. Go. Look. What is your favorite animal here?
Yes.
What is your favorite animal? Do you like
Mm,
this? The horse? The
yes.
chicken? Do you like it?
Yes.
Okay, here also in the wild animals. Go. What is that? What is your favorite animal? What is your favorite wild animal? Go, please answer.
I don't know.
Okay, here also. What is your favorite wild animal? Here in the second picture, you can choose. You can choose in the first picture. What is that?
Lion.
Okay, what else?
Um. Zebra.
Zebra. Okay, what else?
Hippo. Tiger.
Here, what is that?
Elephant.
What else?
Cow. Cow. Sheep. Dog.
Okay, so here in the first picture, what is your favorite?
Ham.
The horse?
Yeah. Chicken.
So chicken, what else?
Pig. Cow. Sheep.
Okay. So here, which animals can you see in the picture? Can you find 10 animals? Can you find 10 animals? Find
Tiger,
10 animals.
tiger, parrot, snake, elephant, fish, hippo, um,
So we have tiger.
crocodile,
Okay, again we have bird.
spider,
Go read it. Bird,
bird,
crocodile,
crocodile,
what is that? Crocodile.
ten,
We have bird, crocodile,
crocodile,
fish,
fish,
fish.
fish,
Okay, next, what is that? That is elephant.
elephant,
Elephant. Okay, next.
rabbit,
Giraffe.
giraffe,
Okay, next.
hippo,
Hippo.
hippo,
Hippo. Okay, next.
monkey,
Monkey.
monkey,
Again, monkey.
monkey,
Okay, next. What is that?
I don't
Spider.
know,
Spider. Again, spider.
spider,
Spider.
spider,
Next, please read it. What is that?
tiger,
Yes, very good. That is a tiger. Next, what is that? How to read that?
I don't know,
That is snake.
snake,
Again, snake.
snake,
Snake.
snake,
Okay, go read again. How to read this?
bird,
Bird. Again, bird.
bird,
How about this?
bird,
Crocodile.
Rock.
Again, crocodile.
Rock.
Next, what is that? How to read that?
Fish.
Fish. Okay, very good. How about this?
Elephant.
Yes, that's elephant. Next, what is this?
Giraffe.
Giraffe. Next,
Hippo.
eco. Hippo, just like hippo.
Eagle.
Hippo, okay.
Okay.
Next, what is this?
Dog.
That is monkey. Again, monkey.
Monkey.
Next, what is that?
Dog.
What is this? Hippo.
Hippo.
Next,
Monkey.
yes, monkey. Next,
Spider.
okay, spider. Next,
Tiger.
tiger. Next,
Snake.
snake. Very good. So, which wild animals are small? Which wild animals are small? Which animals are small? Look at which animals is small.
Yes.
So we have the small is a bird. What else? The fish. Okay, that is a small. So which wild animals are funny? Which wild animals are funny? Look, who is funny? So that is a monkey, right? So which wild animals are big? The biggest is the giraffe and the elephant. We have tiger. Which animals are small? Okay, we have the fish, the bird. Okay, that is small animals. Which wild animals are ugly? Which is ugly? The hippo. Hippo is very ugly animals. Okay, so let's move on. Where are the snakes? Go, where are the snakes?
Yes.
Where are the snakes?
Yes.
Where are the snakes? Find the snakes. Go, where are the snakes? Find the snakes. Go, find the snakes.
Why does it
Where are the snakes? Okay, go.
I don't know.
So this is the snake. Look, this is the snake. This is a snake. Snake here, the snake, the snake. This is the snake. Okay, so some people have pet snakes. Would you like to? Look, please listen carefully.
(25b) Animal Challenge. Look at the picture. Listen and look. There is one example.
There are lots of snakes in this picture.
Yes, there are. Can you see the snake behind the big flower?
The snake behind the big flower? Yes. Can I colour it grey?
Yes, that's a very good colour for it.
1.
There's a snake on the elephant's ear. Colour that snake now.
OK. Which colour?
Colour the snake on the elephant's ear blue, please.
OK. There.
2.
There's a snake in the water too.
I know. Colour that snake now.
What colour?
Colour the snake in the water red.
OK. I'm doing that now.
3.
And there's a snake under the tiger.
You're right.
Colour that snake yellow. Can you do that?
Yes, I can. I'm making it that colour now.
Good.
4.
One snake is in the tree. Let's colour that one now.
OK. Can I colour it purple?
Yes, you can.
Great. The snake in the tree is my favourite colour now. Look.
5.
I can see a snake between the monkey and the bird.
Me too. Can I colour that one brown, please?
Yes, you can.
The one between the monkey and the bird. Great. There.
Well done.
Okay, can you see the bird's tail? Can you see the bird's tail? The bird. Where is the bird's tail?
Yes.
Can you see the hippo's feet? Hello?
Hello.
Yes, where is the hippo feet? Where is the hippo's feet? Where is the hippo's feet? This is... Where is hippo? Where is hippo? Hippo, hippo, hippo. Hippo is swimming. This is hippo, right? This hippo.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. What is this? I cannot read. Okay, put a tick or a cross in the box. Put a tick or a cross in the box. Go. The spider's body, look. The spider's body. Please read first. Please read first. Okay, please read first.
Mua đó. Ngồi ở nhà cho bố. Con này lấy xe đã đi rồi mà ba lại nhắn lại là 8h30 về tới được. Ba đang làm thủ tục nhập cảnh nên là quay về lại cảnh cho bắt đầu đi. 8h30 về tới khách sạn.
Okay,
Em
please read
đặt
number 1. Go. Please read number 1.
giờ nữa đi ra ngoài ăn muộn lắm nên em bảo thôi thì bây giờ làm việc cũng
The
đặt.
spider's body.
Body.
Again, the spider's body.
Body.
The spider's body.
Yes.
Please read. Go. Please read first. The spider's body.
Yes.
Again, the spider's body. Please read it. I cannot hear you.
No.
Go, go. Please repeat after me. The spider's body. Okay, one more. The spider's body.
Yes.
Please repeat after me. Please repeat after me. Please read number 1. Go. Please read number 1.
The spider is body.
Okay, can you please type it in English? I don't know how to read this if you will have on Vietnamese word. Okay, the spider's body. Let's check. Okay, so next number 2, please read that. What is that number 2?
The tiger is no.
Yes, very good. The tiger's nose. Okay, number 3.
The hippo is leg.
Yes, the hippo.
The leg.
Okay, the hippo legs. Okay, go number 4.
The monkey is arm.
The monkey's arms. Again, the monkey's arm.
The monkey arm.
Okay, number 5. What is that? Number 5. What is that?
Hippo is no. The elephant is here.
The elephant's head. Again, the elephant's head.
The elephant. Hey.
Okay, next. What is that? Okay, number 6, please read. Number 6, please read. Okay, go read number 6.
The giraffe is big.
The giraffe's feet. Again, giraffe's feet.
Giraffe is.
Okay, next. What is this? Number 7.
The fish is tall.
Okay, the fish tail. Number 8.
The bird is ear.
Again, the bird's eyes.
The bird is eye.
Again, the bird's eyes.
The bird is eye.
No. The bird's eyes.
The bird's
Okay, very good. Number 9.
the oh, crocodile.
Yes, the crocodile's
Mm,
the crocodile's
mouth.
again, the crocodile's mouth. Again, the crocodile's mouth.
No.
Okay, number 9, go read. The crocodile's mouth.
No.
Please read. The crocodile's. Go. Please repeat after me. The crocodile's mouth. Again, number 9, what is that? The crocodile's mouth. Number 9, what is that?
The giraffe ear.
The giraffe's. The giraffe's ears. Okay, so the spider's body. Yes, you can see the spider's body. Then here, number 2, that is the tiger's nose. Yes, we have a tiger nose. The hippo's legs. No, we cannot see. The monkey's arms. Where is monkey? No, that is only hand. Next, the elephant head. The elephant head. Okay, this is the elephant head. Okay, that's a very good here. The giraffe's feet. Where is the giraffe's feet? Yes, we have this giraffe. Okay, the fish tail. The fish tail. Where is the fish tail? Where is the fish tail? Look, here we have the fish tail. Okay, next, what is that?
Spider.
Okay, the bird's eyes. Where is the bird's eye? No, there is no bird's eyes. The crocodile's mouth. No, no crocodile's mouth. Next, what is that? The giraffe's ears. No. Okay. Okay, go. Let's continue because it is already time. Now listen to Tom talking about his speech. Write the answer.